Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is July the 10th. These deals at CVS are for July the 9th through the July the 15th. In this video, I will be sharing with you all digital deals. That's right, all deals can be done just by using your phone. No paper coupons in these deals. If you are not part of any of my social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, I would love to have you. So please go over and look for Praising and Saving and follow. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell to all, and smash that like button for me. Now, I have been doing recent giveaways on my videos. In order for us to do a giveaway, I have to have 25 comments, and all you have to do is comment below. Comment your favorite deal of the day or any questions or anything you might have. When I reach 25 comments on this video, then I will do a drawing. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off to take in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. No need to write anything down. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Starting off is our deal of the day. I love this deal. Really excited about it. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up 3 of these Tresemme hairsprays at $5.99. These are the 4.2 ounces. It's the aerosol can. So each can is $5.99. Picking up 3 of them, your total is going to be $17.97. All right, because we're picking up 3, we're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. You're also going to be able to use that $5 manufacturer coupon on 3 Tresemme products on your CVS app. In addition, there is a CRT for $3 off 15 Tresemme shampoo. Now, some of us may have that $3 off 10, but I'm not going to factor that in the price. I'm just looking at the $5 extra care bucks, the $5 in the manufacturer coupon, and the $3 off 15. With that, your total is going to be $4.97 or $1.66 per can of hairspray. All right, the next deal is the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. These are usually $5.49. They're on sale 2 for $9 or $4.50 each. You're going to buy 2. Your total is $9. There is a $3 manufacturer coupon on the CVS app when you buy 2. And then you will also receive $2 in extra care bucks when you buy 2. So with a $3 coupon and the $2 extra care bucks, your total is going to be $4 or just $2 each for the L'Oreal Paris Elvive shampoo and conditioner. So this is a really great deal this week on the buy one, get one 50% off on the Gillette and the Venus razors. When you buy one, get one 50% off, you're buying 2. And you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks. So the first thing that you're going to do is pick up one of the Gillette Mach 3 razors. These are $10.29. We do have this $3 manufacturer coupon on the app. So that's the first thing that you are going to do. The second thing you're going to do, you'll get this for 50% off of this price. So this one will be $5.15 with the 50% off on the Gillette Venus. So this Gillette Venus, this is the 3 blades, is $10.29, but it'll be $5.15 because it's 50% off. Then you are going to use this $3 coupon, manufacturer coupon on the CVS app. So one men's razor, one woman's razor. We're going to use both of those $3 coupons, and then we're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. With those 2 coupons and the $5 back in extra care bucks, your total will be $4.44 or $2.22 each. This is a huge deal on the Vitafusion gummies. Now, what I did may look different than you, but I got mine for $1.85 each. Now, the cheapest gummies I had at my store were the women's multi ones for $13.79. But if you have vitamin D, you might be able to find those even cheaper. So, what we're going to do is these are buy one, get one 50% off. We're going to pick up 2 of them. Picking up 2 of them because they're buy one, get one 50% off totals to $20.70. Now, we have this high value $10 manufacturer coupon on the CVS app. That manufacturer coupon is going to bring it down, with the $10, going to bring it back down to $10.70 at the register. Then you're going to head on over to Ibotta and submit on Ibotta for $3.50 back per jar of vitamins. So that's $7 that you're going to get back from Ibotta. So with the $10 coupon and the $7 back from Ibotta, your total is going to be $3.70 or $1.85 per container of gummies. Got an easy deal on the Aussie hair products. These are going to be 99 cents after the deal. So at my store, these are marked for $4.99, but they're buy one, get one 40% off. So essentially, when you buy 2 of them, and do the math, your total is going to be $7.98 because of the 40% off. So already a pretty decent deal on these. So $7.98. Then we have a $2 manufacturer coupon on the CVS app is going to come off when you buy 2 of these Aussie products. In addition to that, you're going to receive $4 in extra care bucks because you bought the products. So with the 40% off one, the $2 manufacturer coupon, and the $4 in extra care bucks, your total is going to be $1.98 or just 99 cents each. All right, guys, so you know that when I bring you these videos, I do what works best for my family, and you should be doing what's best for your family. Now, I do love it when they do the spend 20, get back $5 deal. Makes it super easy. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pick up the Tide Hygienic Clean. I love these. These are the heavy duty pods. There's only 25 pods in these, but I just still love them. They're usually $16.99, but they're on sale for $12.99. We have a $3 manufacturer coupon on the app. So automatically, it's going to be $9.99. But we need to get to that $20 threshold. So I added in this Gain detergent. This is $6.99. So because it's $12.99 and $6.99, we are still in the realm of being able to get our $5 extra care bucks with a $20 threshold. So we're in that 98% rule. It's not all the way there, but we're almost there. It's okay. It still works. So these Gains, these small ones, are $6.99. If you wanted to, you can get Tide, but this is what I wanted. And I have a $1 off coupon. So with that $1 off coupon, it's going to make these $5.99. Now with the Tide and the Gain together, your total is going to be about $20. We have $4 in coupons, and we're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. Your total for the Tide and the Gain together is going to be $11 for the total. But remember, always do what's best for you. I'm excited about this deal because I am out of shaving cream in my stockpile. We're going to be getting this Gillette Foamy for just $1.05 each. At my store, they are marked at $4.19, but they are buy one, get one 50% off. My tag just wasn't marked. So when you buy one, get one 50% off, you're getting 2. Your total is going to be $6.10 at the register. Now, you may have a different price than me because I've seen people have different prices and it's even listed differently online. But it'll be $6.10 for the both of them. Now, on the CVS app, we do have a $1 manufacturer coupon on Gillette Shave Prep Skincare. So that $1 coupon is going to come off. In addition to that, we have a $3 extra care buck on disposable razors and shave gel or cream. So with that $1 coupon, that $3 extra care bucks, and that 50% off, it's going to make your total $2.10 or $1.05 each. Next deal we have, I chose for the Revlon, I chose the eye pencils. These are $9.99, and I wanted to do the spend 20, get back $5. So what you're going to do is pick up 2 of these Color Stay pencils. Your total is going to be $19.98, but we're going to be getting these just for $1.99 each. So first thing we got, on the CVS app, we have a $5 CRT, $5 off any Revlon cosmetics. There's also a $4 off 25, so if you decide to get something different, just make sure you get to that $25 threshold. Both of those will come off. So that $5 CRT will come off, and that $4 will come off if you get to that $25 threshold. I did not do that. Then in addition to that, we have a $3 Ibotta rebate that we can do up to 5 times. So since I bought 2 of these eye pencils, I'll get back $6. So with the $5 in extra care bucks, the $6 from Ibotta, and the $5 CRT, my total is going to be $3.98 or just $1.99. Remember, if you are appreciating these deals, please leave me a comment below. Once I reach 25 comments, I will do a drawing for a $10 gift card. So make sure you're doing that. Also subscribe and like. This next deal is awesome. It's on the Degree Spray Deodorant. We're going to be getting these for just 82 cents each. Really great deodorant. Considering these cost $7.59, we're only going to pay 82 cents. That's awesome. So what you're going to do is these are buy one, get one 50% off. You're going to pick up 2. Your total after the buy one, get one 50% off is $11.38 for the both of them. Now what I did was I picked up one of the Degree for men and one of the Degree for women. Then on the CVS app, we have a glitch going on. What that means is 2 of these coupons are coming off for the same deal. 2 of these manufacturer coupons. So a $4 manufacturer coupon is coming off for the Degree, and a $1.50 manufacturer is coming off. So that's $5.50 in coupons. Then you're going to head on over to the Fetch app and scan your receipt. You're going to receive 4,000 Fetch points or $4, and you're going to receive 250. So that is $4.25. So with the $5.50 coupons and the $4.25, your total is going to be $1.63 or 82 cents each. In addition to all these great savings, I also got a $20 off 80 threshold coupon. So I was super excited to get that. That's huge. So I was able to use this coupon, this CRT, in addition to everything else. If you got one of these this week, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know if you got one, and if you did, which ones you get. So because of that $20 coupon, my total for everything today was $17.80. That's right. I paid $17. Guys, and the deals I bring to you, I buy them. I don't just go in the store and snap some pictures. I actually buy the items to guarantee that I'm bringing you the correct savings. Now, if you did not have the $1.50 coupon, we do have it on the ShopMium app. I'm no longer using coupons.com. I'm now transitioned only to ShopMium. There's also a save $2 on the Aussie. So if you did not have the save $2 on the Aussie, there's also there. Also, the L'Oreal LV coupon is on the ShopMium app. This is the save $3 buy 2. So like I said, if it's not on your CVS app, it will be on ShopMium. And then the last one is the Tresemme. So saving $5 when you buy 3 of those Tresemme hairsprays. All right, guys, that is all the deals I have for you today. Don't forget about the printable breakdown in the description box, and also making sure that you comment below so I can do a drawing for a gift card. I did not have enough comments last week to do the drawing for the gift card. Also, if you haven't already done so, please go back and watch my Target video that I did yesterday. We are having Target Circle Week, so lots of great deals at Target this week. And we have a couple more days for Publix, so make sure you go back and watch that Publix video. All right, guys, I'll see you on Wednesday when we go to Publix.